Hello, my name is Chase Hale. I'm the business officer at American Heritage School, and it's my pleasure to provide some orientation to parents and students in the realm of information technology as we venture together into this new realm of online learning. First, let's talk about system requirements that will be important in your home. Now, beyond just having a screen and an internet connection, some additional important attributes of the devices you use will be to have a camera, a speaker, and a microphone. Most laptops and desktops today come standard with all of these features, and certainly most cell phones do as well. If your device lacks one or more of these features, you can actually augment its feature set by buying a peripheral off of Amazon or somewhere else. For example, you could search for a USB camera or hunt for an audio headset, or earbuds with microphone is another search term that will yield lots of results for you. If after reviewing your devices you've decided that you still just need more functionality, more capacity, we do have laptops here at the school that we are happy to issue to you. We have 350. That's far fewer than our total number of students, but we believe that it's enough to handle the additional needs on top of what our families have in their own homes. Each of these laptops has all of the features necessary, and so if you need one, you can reach out to our IT team by emailing them at support@ahsmail.com, and then they'll direct you from there. Finally, before we move off of system requirements, just know that on Tuesday of this week, we will be running an all-day system test for our Zoom delivery system. Zoom is the video conferencing software that we're using to deliver the classroom experience right into your living room. On Tuesday, we'll have a meeting that is open the entire day. We will be looping a video, and you can join that meeting. By joining that meeting, you'll be able to test your own accessibility, you'll be able to test your video and your audio functionality, and you'll know whether or not things are working. We strongly encourage you to use that testing window at some point on Tuesday to find glitches early and to allow us to help you resolve them in a more staggered manner throughout the day. Next, let's talk about support. We're going to discuss 3 different areas of support: Veracross, Zoom, and your hardware. If you have a problem with accessing Veracross, please reach out to either Melissa Hendrickson or Kristen Jansen in our admissions office. I'll pause briefly here just to remind you that our email addresses for all of our personnel at the school are simply the first initial followed by the last name at ahsmail.com. So again, that's Melissa Hendrickson or Kristen Jansen in the admissions office. They can help you with Veracross access problems if you've forgotten your username or password or otherwise can't log on. If rather your problem with Veracross is your utilization of it, if you're having trouble finding things or just processing things within Veracross, then Nancy Morrill is going to be your contact person. Now let's go to Zoom. Again, our video conference delivery system. Access problems go to Nancy Morrill. Utilization problems go to Melanie McConkey. And then if you're having trouble with your hardware, we want to do everything we can to help you resolve those issues. Hardware problems should be directed to our IT team, support@ahsmail.com, or you can call the school and find them at extension 515. Now, if during school in the heat of the moment you run into issues and you're not quite sure who to contact, just call the front office. They'll be able to direct you from there, and we'll make sure you're taken care of. Now, how do you contact your teachers? What means of communication do you have there? You have all the same ones you used to have, with one exception. Obviously, you can't park your car and run into their office or their classroom and find them, but you can email them, you can call them just as you did before. One last item that we want to make you aware of is an additional level of support. We want you to have as successful and positive an experience as possible, and for that reason we have a team of teachers and administrators who are going to be contacting every household early in this new process. We want to listen to you. We want to understand what your experience is like. And again, as I said before, we ultimately want it to be a successful and a pleasant one. So we will be reaching out to you to just check in and hear what you have to share with us and learn from you. Again, thank you. We are excited to go through this with you. We look forward to having a wonderful experience together. Thank you.